Well, education is fortunately becoming an issue that is getting the attention of politicians, but I think more needs to be done. And it is both a demand side and a supply side situation. On the supply side, we still have very basic infrastructure in most of the country, and that needs to be improved. On the supply side, the perception that parents, particularly rural Indians, are not demanding of the kind of education facilities for their children, that perception is changing. And you're beginning to see many governments at the state level have specific policies for boosting school attendance by giving out bicycles and things like that. But of course, we need to do a lot more to keep this agenda at the very top of the political dialogue. Yes, I think cash transfers could be useful, but the debate mostly, or at least the feedback from most countries where cash transfers have been used, is that conditional cash transfers, such as linked to keeping children in school, are what is important. In which case, I think we are really talking about education vouchers, school vouchers. So whether you give cash with a condition that it be used only for children to go to school, or to give vouchers to parents so that they have the choice of which school or a better school to send their children, I think is more or less the similar issue. And these are innovative ideas that have been tried in other countries with some degree of success, and I think we ought to also look at them. My idea is voucher-based educational schools we've had pilot projects, I think, in Delhi. I think there ought to be a pilot project in every district of the country.